Hey everyone, and welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. Today we're going to have a look at the 2021 Toyota RAV4. It's the LXE all-wheel drive model. The exterior color is called Super White. It's a 5-passenger sports utility vehicle with 4-cylinder 2.5-liter engine. Puts out 203 horsepower. Its 55-liter tank takes regular fuel and delivers great fuel economy with ratings of 8.8 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 7.1 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway, which equates to 26.7 miles per gallon in the city and 33.1 miles per gallon on the highway. Alright, let's get inside. Alright, here we are looking in, driver's side. Both driver's and passenger side seats are heated and covered with premium fabric. Driver's side has 8-way power adjustment controls, as well as the lumbar adjustment control. Power locks and windows, cup holder on the door panel. Push start engine. Heated leather wrapped steering wheel with our Bluetooth and audio controls. Our Toyota Safety Sense features, or Safety Sense 2.0 controls that include the pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring, dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, lane departure alert, with steering assist, and the auto high beams. Looking at our dash, this is the 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Offers Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and many more features. Climate control center here. Under the dash, a power outlet and USB port. Leather wrapped shift knob with 6 drive mode options and electronic brake hold. This allows you to brake with your foot off the actual brake while at the stoplight. Looking up top at our power moon roof, and right up here are its controls, the interior lighting controls and a sunglass holder. Alright, let's hop back outside. So the Toyota RAV4 XLE all-wheel drive has 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Coming around back here, plenty of space back here in the cargo area. Have some seasonal floor mats. A side cubby here with the power outlet. Trunk lighting. And the storage cover. Back here, our premium fabric seats continue onto our 60-40 split seats with a pull-down center console with the cup holders. And power windows on the door panel. Alright, there we have it, the 2021 Toyota RAV4 XLE model in all-wheel drive. Give us a call here at Thousand Islands Toyota at 613-342-9111. And one of our product advisors would be happy to safely book you in for a test drive in Canada's #1 selling vehicle.